Hello students, here I Priya Sacha. Welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. Today we will continue with our 4th chapter, Exponent and Powers, exercise 4a, right? So before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name, class, section in the comment box for daily attendance. So let's start. Now sum number 9 of exercise 4a. If 16 plus 125 is equals to x square plus y cube, then you have to find the value of x and y, x cube plus y square, x plus y whole square, and so on. Right? So I am doing 3 parts, rest of the part 2 parts you have to do. In that first you have to find x and y, then only you can find second, third, fourth, fifth part. So main part to calculate is x and y first. Yeah. So how will you calculate here? They are saying 16 plus 125 is equals to x square plus y cube. So here this is x square. So on left hand side, first part you have to write in terms of square. How will you convert 16 in terms of square? What you will write? That is 4 square. Is it clear? 4 square is 16. 4 4s are 16. Now plus sign, here also plus. Second term is y cube, and here second term is 125. Now 125 you have to write in exponential notation in the as power of 3. So what you can write, 125 you have to convert as power of 3. So what you will do, what you can write 125, you can write 125 as 5 to the power 3. Is it clear or not? Clear? X square plus y cube remains same. Here first term is x square, so its first term you have to write in terms of square. Here second term is y cube, so this left hand side second term you have to convert in terms of cube. Right? Now you can equate the equation. How will you equate this x square? You can write as 4 square. So that means x is equals to 4. X square is 4 square, square cancel, so x will be 4. Similarly, y cube you can write as 5 cube. Cube cancel out, so y you can write as 5. So answer is x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 5. Now second part you have to find the value of x cube plus y square. X cube means x value is 4, right? So here you have to put x as 4 cube, plus y you have to put as 5. So you will put as y as 5. Now you have to solve. 4 cube, 4 you have to multiply 3 times. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, plus 5 square, 5 you have to multiply 2 times. 5 5s are 25. Clear? Here you have to just keep it in one thing. You are not multiplying 4 3s are 12 and 5 2s are 10. That means power means you have to multiply the same number power time. Yeah, so that means 4 you have to multiply 3 times. Here 5 you have to multiply with itself 2 times. 4 you have to multiply with itself 3 times. Yeah. Now 64 plus 25 is 89 is the answer. After calculation of x and y, all remaining parts are easy to calculate. Now next third part is x plus y whole square. That means here x is 4 and y is 5, its whole square. So first you have to solve the bracket. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 square is 81. Right? Now 10th numerical is same as 9th numerical. If 3 to the power x into 2 to the power y is equal to 243 into 32. Find the value of x and y first. Again, first you have to find the value of x and y, then you have to put x and y value in other parts, and each part you have to calculate. Right? So first calculate x and y first. Here they are saying 3 to the power x into 2 to the power y is equals to 243 into 32. Again, first you have to convert base same. 3 to the power x into 2 to the power y. How will you write 243 in terms of 3? 243, find its prime factors. 243 prime factors. 3, from 3 first you will divide. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 27 times, then 3 into 27 is 81. So 3, when you will divide, 27 will come, then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, right? So 3 how many times are coming? 1 2 3 4 5 times, so 3 to the power 5. Similarly 32 you have to write in terms of 2. So find prime factors of 32. So first divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, then again divided by 2, 2 8 is 16, then again divided by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Here, how many times 2 are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 2 to the power of 5. Now you have to compare, you have to equate, where equal to sign is coming, and here you can see base are equal. So 3 first left hand side first term you can write equal to right hand side first term. So 3 to the power x is equals to 3 to the power 5. Here, and similarly left hand side second term 2 to the power y is equals to 2 to the power 5 you will write. Now if base are same, then you can equate the powers. Here powers will be equal if base are same. So here you can see 3 and 3 are there, so power you can write as equal. X will be 5 and y is equals to 5. So this will be the answer. Is it clear? Now x and y, x is 5, y is 5. Now you can easily find out the other parts value. Here you have to find out x as, you will put x as 5 and y as 5 to the power 7. So what will come? 10 to the power 7. 10 to the power 7 is 7, 1 and 7 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So this will be the answer. Now fourth part, x square. X is 5 square plus y square. Y is 5 square again minus xy. 5 into 5. X is 5, y is 5. 5 square is 25 plus 5 square is 25. 5 5s are 25 minus 5 5s are 25. So what would be the answer? 25 plus 25, 50. 50 minus 25 is 25. Is it clear? Now 11th numerical, first part. By what number should we multiply 5 to the power 5 so that the product may be equal to 5 to the power 9? So here you have to do these types of numerical, like word problem type, no? So here you have to just write let that number to be multiplied will be x. Yeah, so let the number be x. What will be the equation? By what number should we multiply? So by what number means x should be multiplied with 5 to the power 5. According to question, what will be the equation? 5 to the power 5, you are multiplying x, then what you will get? 5 to the power 9. Yeah, now you have to solve this equation. So how will you solve? Here 5 to the power 5 into x is coming. So when you will transpose, then you have to divide it. So what you will write? 5 to the power 9 upon 5 to the power 5. Right? So now 5 you have to multiply 9 times. Divided by, then 5 you have to multiply 5 times. Now you can cancel out numerator and denominator. 5 5s you can cancel out with numerator and denominator. So how many are left? 1 2 3 4. So when you will multiply 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, what will come? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125s are 625 will be the answer. Is it clear? Similarly, the second part, by what number should we divide? So let the number to be divided by x, dx, sorry. Let the number to be divided be x. So according to question, what will be the equation? By what number means x should be divided by 3 to the power 11. Then quotient will be 3 to the power 3. So this equation you have to solve. So how will you solve? 3 to the power 11, divide you have to convert into multiplication. When you convert, then you have to write x as reciprocal. Clear? So is equals to 3 to the power 3. Right? Now transpose x this side. 3 to the power 11 is equals to 3 to the power 3 into x. Here x is in division. So when you will transpose, it will convert into multiplication. Now number this side. So x is equals to 3 to the power 11 upon 3 to the power 3. Right? 3 to the power 3 is with multiplication. So when you will transpose, it will convert into division. So 3 to the power 11, 11 times you have to multiply 3. Here I have multiplied 3 11 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then 3 you have in denominator. 3 you have to multiply 3 times. So now you can cancel out numerator and denominator. So how many 3's are left? 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right? Now when you will multiply, what will come? So you will write 3 to the power 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 to the power 8 will be the answer. Is it clear? Question number 3 is find the value of x if 2 by 7 to the power 8 into 2 by 7 to the power 13 is equals to 2 by 7 to the power 7x. So in this numerical, first you have to expand 2 by 7 8 times, and then you have to expand 2 by 7 13 times. Then in total 8 plus 13 21 times 2 by 7 is coming. Yeah, so you will write 2 by 7 to the power 21, and then base are same, then power you can equate, and then you can find the value of x. But this is very lengthy process. Yeah, so these types of numerical just do by from exercise 4b. So what you will do, when base are same in between multiplication sign is there, then you will add the powers. So what you will write, base remains same 2 by 7 only, and powers will be added. In case of multiplication in between, when base are same and powers are different, then in multiplication you will write base as 2 by 7 only, because base are same. So once you will write 2 by 7 and powers to be added, 8 plus 13, right? Then equal to sign 2 by 7 to the power 7x. Now here left hand side and right hand side, in both sides single terms are coming, 2 by 7 and 2 by 7 to the power 21, and here power is 7x. Here power is 21 and here power is 7x, right? Only single terms are coming. Then and base, you can see both bases are equal, 2 by 7, 2 by 7. In that type of condition you can equate the powers. Yeah, you can write is equals to sign 21 is equals to 7x, and then you can find the value of x, that is 21 by 7 is 3. Clear? Now I am giving you some numericals from exercise 4a. 9th numerical 4th and 5th part, 10th numerical 3rd and 5th part, and 11th numerical 4th part, that you have to do in your classwork notebook. If any query, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Okay, take care, bye bye.